Husqvarna L77 chainsaw. I just finished installing a top end kit on it. I would have liked to talk through it like I'm an expert. I am not, so I didn't. Sometimes the camera needs to be set down. You can see compatibility for the L77 also works with the 180, 280, 380, or 480 cylinder head. So if you are looking for replacement parts on a vintage chainsaw, keep that in mind when you're searching. This is the D-type cylinder and piston, which is what the owner's manual recommends you do after a rebuild, but it's hard to find them usually. But made in Italy, I guess lots of mopeds and stuff there. I don't know, but showing up on eBay. Look at the damage. I did notice this piece of wire right when I lifted up the cylinder head, and yeah, it left a mark as well as some other things, I'm sure. So lots of scarring on this piston, rings, inside the cylinder. Very ugly stuff, but that's been hopefully resolved. I don't believe I had access play in the crank. Hard to say that after seeing that, but I don't believe I had excess play. So with the newer bearings on the top part of the crank, I think it is a solid chainsaw and okay to run up. Time will tell if my assessment was right there. But this is where it sits. I have not spun the saw up yet, and I like to do that as soon as I can. It's gonna make some noise, or I'm gonna make some noise, one or the other. So I'll keep you posted and record it when I do.